Right now, inside your body, two organs no larger than your fists are performing one of the most sophisticated tasks in all of biology. Every minute, they receive a massive supply of blood. Every second, they analyze its composition. They decide how much water to keep, which substances to recover, which wastes to remove, and how to maintain the delicate chemical balance that keeps every cell alive. These are your kidneys. And despite what many people think, they are not simply filters. They are among the most advanced regulatory systems in the human body. Most people imagine the kidneys as passive organs that clean the blood and produce urine. But the reality is far more impressive. The kidneys continuously monitor the body's internal environment and make countless microscopic adjustments in real time. They regulate water levels, control electrolytes, maintain blood pressure, produce hormones, activate vitamins, and help ensure that the conditions inside your body remain stable even when the world around you changes. To understand how they accomplish this, we need to look inside them. Each kidney contains roughly 1 million microscopic functional units called nephrons. These tiny structures perform the actual work of filtration and regulation. Every nephron begins with a remarkable structure known as the glomerulus. This is where blood filtration starts. The glomerulus is a dense network of capillaries that acts as an extraordinarily precise molecular filter. As blood flows through it, water and small dissolved molecules pass through specialized filtration membranes, while blood cells and most proteins remain inside the circulation. The result is a fluid known as filtrate. Every day, the kidneys produce roughly 180 liters of this filtrate. That number may sound surprising. After all, most people only produce 1 or 2 liters of urine per day, so where does the rest go? The answer reveals the true brilliance of the kidneys. Once the filtrate leaves the glomerulus, it enters the renal tubule. Here, the kidneys begin recovering substances that the body cannot afford to lose: water, glucose, sodium, potassium, bicarbonate, and many other essential molecules. Specialized transport systems move these substances back into the bloodstream with astonishing precision. By the time the filtrate reaches the end of the nephron, nearly 99% of it has been reabsorbed. Only a tiny fraction remains as urine. This means the kidneys are not simply removing substances from the blood. They are constantly deciding what should stay and what should leave. One of the most fascinating parts of the nephron is the loop of Henle. This hairpin-shaped structure plays a crucial role in controlling the concentration of urine. As fluid moves through the loop, a unique concentration gradient is created within the kidney tissue. This gradient allows the body to conserve water when necessary. When you are dehydrated, the kidneys can produce highly concentrated urine, minimizing water loss. When water is abundant, they can produce dilute urine and eliminate the excess. This ability gives humans tremendous flexibility in adapting to different environmental conditions. But the kidneys do not work alone. They constantly receive instructions through hormones. One of the most important is vasopressin, also called antidiuretic hormone. Produced by the brain, vasopressin helps regulate how much water the kidneys retain. When the body senses dehydration, vasopressin levels rise. The kidneys respond by reabsorbing more water. Urine volume decreases and water is conserved. When hydration is sufficient, vasopressin levels fall and excess water can be eliminated. This elegant feedback system helps maintain a stable internal environment despite daily fluctuations in fluid intake and loss. The kidneys are also responsible for regulating electrolytes. Electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium are essential for nerve signaling, muscle contraction, and countless cellular functions. Even small imbalances can create serious problems. The kidneys continuously adjust how much of these substances is retained or excreted, ensuring that their concentrations remain within narrow limits. Another vital function involves maintaining acid-base balance. The body's cells constantly generate acids as a byproduct of metabolism. If these acids accumulated unchecked, normal biological processes would be disrupted. The kidneys help prevent this by regulating hydrogen ions and bicarbonate, keeping blood chemistry within the precise range required for life. Their influence extends even further. The kidneys are major regulators of blood pressure. When blood pressure falls, specialized cells within the kidneys release a substance called renin. This activates a hormonal cascade that helps restore normal pressure and maintain adequate blood flow throughout the body. Through this system, the kidneys play a central role in cardiovascular regulation. Surprisingly, the kidneys are also endocrine organs. They produce hormones that affect distant tissues throughout the body. One of these hormones is erythropoietin. Its job is to stimulate the production of red blood cells in the bone marrow. When oxygen levels drop, the kidneys increase erythropoietin production, helping the body improve its oxygen carrying capacity. The kidneys are also responsible for activating vitamin D. Without this final activation step, vitamin D cannot efficiently perform its role in calcium absorption and bone health. This means the kidneys contribute not only to blood chemistry but also to the maintenance of the skeleton itself. By now, it should be clear that the kidneys are far more than filtration devices. They are dynamic control centers. Every moment, they evaluate the body's needs and make countless adjustments that affect nearly every organ system. Unfortunately, these remarkable organs can fail. Chronic kidney disease is one of the most common and serious health conditions worldwide. What makes it particularly dangerous is that it often progresses silently. For years, significant damage may occur before symptoms become obvious. As kidney function declines, waste products begin to accumulate in the blood. Fluid balance becomes disrupted. Electrolyte levels become unstable. Blood pressure often rises, and the effects spread throughout the entire body. In advanced stages, patients may require dialysis. Dialysis is a medical procedure that removes waste products and excess fluid from the blood. It can save lives and replace part of the kidney's filtering function. But even the most advanced dialysis systems cannot fully replicate the complexity of healthy kidneys. They cannot continuously adjust blood chemistry, regulate hormones, or perform the countless fine-tuned corrections that functioning nephrons carry out every second. For many patients, the most effective long-term treatment is a kidney transplant. A transplanted kidney can restore many of the functions lost during kidney failure and dramatically improve quality of life. Yet even transplantation highlights an important reality. Replacing a kidney is difficult because the organ itself is extraordinarily complex. The kidneys are not simple filters. They are biological masterpieces, silent regulators working every second of your life. They analyze your blood, balance your chemistry, control your hydration, support your bones, regulate your blood pressure, and help determine how every cell in your body functions. The next time you drink a glass of water, remember what happens next. Deep inside your body, millions of nephrons immediately begin making countless microscopic decisions. Filtering, recovering, balancing, protecting. Two small organs, hidden from view, performing one of the most advanced and essential tasks in the human body.